Now let's look at the actual example that was in the book. Use differentiation to find the slope of the tangent to the circle at that point. So if we want to get the slope, we need to differentiate it. As we know, our function is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. If we differentiate that, we get 2x plus differentiate y squared, and we get 2y dy dx is equal to 0. So now, remember terms with dy dx on the left, other terms on the right. So I get 2y dy dx is equal to minus 2x. So dy dx is equal to minus 2x over 2y. And they divide out. So dy dx is equal to minus x over y. But we're given a point, so we have to find the slope. So to get the slope is going to be equal to dy dx at the point 3, 4. So dy dx at that point 3, 4. So that means that we have to say that dy dx is equal to minus, my x value is 3 over 4. So my slope equals minus 3 over 4. And remember, if we're getting the equation of the circle or the equation of the tangent at that point, we would sub that in to the formula y2 minus y1, or sorry, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We might go ahead and actually just get it. So if we get the equation of the tangent at the point, okay, so the equation of the tangent so it's y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So that would be y minus our y1, which is 4, is equal to minus 3 over 4, lovely, minus 3 over 4 times x minus, what's our x1? 3. And remember that you multiply, this multiplies by here. So we get 4 times y minus 4 equals minus 3 times x minus 3. So that's 4y minus 16 is equal to minus 3x plus 9. And if we're just going to finish that out, what we do then is we can say that 3x plus 4y minus 16 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 25 is equal to 0. And that is the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point 3, 4.